You can adjust the fan level from this button. From 3 levels, the LED screen will show. And if you like to turn it off, you just need to long press this button. And if you like to turn on or off the light, you just need to press this slip, then the lights are off. And if you like to turn it on, just press it. And you can set the color lights as you want from this button. You will change to the next color until you stop it. And if you like to set one color, you just need to long press and you will flash one time. You can see. So now is the level 1, level 3. You can see the inside part from here. Water, and you also can see this is the new version, come with a white silicone ring here, so it won't be have water leakage issue. That's all. Thank you.